Hiding like a gem in the mystic jungle, awaits an experience, none like another, braided by nature's glory. Treetops hugging each other into the clever sense, into the wild, into the untouched land where each step is an adventure, glimmering hopes of the past to the shades of future. Living in the present is what truly matters. Riding away into uncertainty amidst the crystal clear streams and beauty so unspoken and majestic, streaming through the uneven path and new fantasies, gathering unparalleled joy. Moving through the zigzag alleys, braving the wind, the muddy path, and holy grail, into the hideaway of western Ghats, with chilly winds clambering by the side, embracing the taste of wild, braving the hurdles, journey along with the woods, the path of no bearers. Blue ginger in the heart of Western Ghats. Finest nature camp that has been built in the mystic mountains of Wayanad. The exotic experience of a lifetime, devouring the greatest spectacle, heaven of natural harmony, nestling in the darkest foliage, walking to find yourself mesmerized in the lap of luxury, touted as the best kept secret in the dense forest. The view so breathtaking that rising up is so dreamlike. You walk away in nature, swaying with clouds, wrapping you up like a misty embrace. You breathe in the finest mountain air, and you are part of the mountain. The blue rivers that fill the spirit, the water so pure, it fills with joy. The aura of mystic rhythms, tapping the earth. Blue Ginger, a resort with well-equipped heritage cottages, set beside a natural stream.